Clean cooking is one of the most immediate and cost-effective tools that we have to address the triple planetary crisis of climate change, nature loss, and pollution. Today, unfortunately, 2.4 billion people rely on polluting solid fuels to cook their daily meals. And the health implications of this are well documented. Cooking over smoky, open fires and inefficient stoves contributes to 3.2 million premature deaths each year. But what's less understood is that cooking this way also generates a gigaton of CO2 emissions, the same as the global aviation or shipping industries. And it is responsible for half of human-generated black carbon. 34% of all wood fuel is harvested unsustainably, and it's done so in precious biodiversity hotspots and carbon sinks around the world. And the challenge is particularly acute here in Africa, where the absolute number of people without access is growing.